Hello dear students, how do you do? I hope you all are very well. So let's do some study today. So bring your new learners grammar and composition book. Dear students, open page number 14. So let's start from the first point. Circle the odd one out. The first has been done for you. So dear students, let's see which one is the odd one out from others. Z, C, B, F. So dear students, do you know which one is the odd one out? You just check. Z is in capital letter. C is in small letter, B is in small letter, F is in small letter. So dear students, these three are in small letter and Z is in capital letter. So dear students, please tell me which one is odd? Z. Very good. Next we have J, O, K, S. Dear students, please tell me which one is the odd one? K. Yes, why K is odd one? Because K is in capital letter. Well done. Next one we have P, E, I, Q. So which one is the odd one? Q. Excellent job. Why is Q odd one? Because Q is in capital letter. A, M, V, D. So which one is odd one? V. Well done. S, N, T, Y. Which one is the odd one? S. Very good, because S is in capital letter. G, H, E, W. Which one is the odd one? Tell me students. H. Superb job. So dear students, let's move on. Match the columns. The first one has been done for you. So dear students, here we have small letter, this side and this side capital letters. So we have to match the small letter with the capital one. Here is a C, is a small capital, and it has been matched with capital letter C. So here we have small k, we have to match it with capital K. Small f, capital F. Small j, capital J. Small l, capital L. Small a, capital A. So, dear students, here we have these letters are not in order. Write them in order. So dear students, we have to write these letters in order. So let's write here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So dear students, now we have write the missing letters. The first one has been done for you. So dear students, I know you all know alphabets very well. So let's check. Here we have O dash Q. What comes between O and Q? P. O, P, Q. Well done. Next we have K. Here L. K, L, M. A, B, C. Superb job. X. What will come here? Y. Good job. X, Y, Z. J. What will come here? K. J, K, L. U. What will come here, dear students? U, V, W. Good job. So, let's move towards write the missing letters. The first one has been done for you. So here, what comes before R and S? Here is written Q. So let's do by ourselves. Here is F and G. What will come before F and G? Yes, dear students, what will come before F and G? E. Good job. Next we have U and V. What will come before U and V? Yes, dear students, T. Excellent job. What will come before X and Y? Yes, dear students, W. Superb. What will come before J and K? Yes, dear students, I. Well done. What will come before I and J? Yes, dear students, tell me fast. Yes, H. Excellent work. Here we have rewrite the words in capital letters. The first one has been done for you. Dear students, here we have drum, that is written in small letter. So we have to write it in capital letters only. Yes, here written D-R-U-M, drum, that is in capital letters. So let's write other ones in capital letters. Yes, here we have S-H-I-P, ship. So we will write it in capital letters, S-H-I-P, ship. C-H-I-L-D, child. Here we write in capital letter C-H-I-L-D, child. D-E-S-K, desk. D-E-S-K, desk. N-I-C-E, nice. N-I-C-E, nice. So, dear students, you have to write in capital letter only. M-A-N, man. Here we write in capital letter M-A-N, man. Next we have C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. A-X-E, X. Here we write it in capital letter A-X-E, X. F-A-N, fan. Here we write it in capital letter F-A-N, fan. P-O-T, pot. Let's write it in capital letter P-O-T, pot. So dear students, now let's move on page number 16. Here we have, look at these pictures. Here is a ball, cup, tie, dog, kite, ship, girl, table lamp. Write their names here. The first letter of these names have been given for you. Yes, dear students, we have to write their name. First one we have B-A-L-L, ball. Next we have C, cup starts with C. Then we have to write here C-U-P, cup. Well done. And here we have T. Tie starts with T, so we will write here T-I-E, tie. Here we have D, dog. The word dog starts with D, so we will write here D-O-G, dog. Here we have K, and the kite starts from K. Here we will write K-I-T-E, kite. And now we have S. Here's a ship. Ship starts with the S. So here we will write S-H-I-P, ship. Here we have G, and here we have girl. The word girl starts with G, and we will write here G-I-R-L, girl. Well done. Now we have T. Here we have table lamp. Table lamp starts with T. T-A-B-L-E, table. L-A-M-P, lamp. Here we have table lamp. So dear students, here we have page number 17. Let's move on. Now match the first letter of each fruit with the letter in the box. Here we have apple. Apple starts with A. So let's find A out of these options. Here we have A. So we will match it with the first letter of apple, A. And next we have banana, B for banana. And let's find here B out of these options. Here we have B. Let's match the first letter of banana with this B. Here we have orange, and here we have O. O for orange. Let's match it with O. Here we have mango. The mango starts with M, and let's match M with this M. Here we have pear. Pear starts with P. Let's find here where is P? Here. So let's match with P. Here we have guava. Guava starts with G, and here we have G in this option, and we will match this G with this G. Here we have jackfruit. Jackfruit starts with J, and here we have J. So let's match J with this J. So here we have, now match the first letter of each body part with the letter in the box. Here we have hair. Hair starts with H, and we will match it with this H. Here we have EYEI. Let's find here where is E. Here. So we will match I with this E. Here we have NOSE, nose, and we will match nose with the first letter of this word. Here we have N, and here we also have N. So we will match nose with this N. Here we have mouth, and mouth starts with the M, and here we will find where is M. Here is a M, so we will match it with this M. Here we have hand, and hand starts with H, and we will match it with this H. Here we have leg. Leg starts with L, and we will match it with this L. Here we have thumb. Thumb starts with T, and we will match this thumb with this T. So dear students, practice it on your book and stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Have a nice day and take care.